The option of putting the HVACs here is no longer an option. So instead, the contractor, the HVAC guy, and the engineer have decided this is the best location to put 9 of the HVACs, and they would go along the front like they are now and go along the side corner like over here. So essentially run like that and then that way. So one option was to put 9 there, 12 here, and they would pull the parking back 3 feet, remove the bushes, and fit 12 in this location, which would be these unit stacks. And it would go along that, they pull the bushes back, pull back this way, some units on the side there, and then run along the front. Same thing here, but we'd be back to 9, where they would run it this way and run them that way. So along the side and then this way. These units will be further from the first floor condo units than they are now. Right now, you have a window and you've got 5 feet, and then you've got your AC units. So it's really not going to be impacting the first floor any more than it does now. The other option was to put 15 units on this side, and since there's not much room over here, they were thinking about putting 3 or 4 along this wall, put as many as they can fit here, and then from the middle stack to the end, wrap it around to that side of the north side of the building was the other option.